Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, a few tablespoons of sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt for the dry mix. For the wet ingredients, have milk, 2 large eggs, about 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget to preheat your waffle iron while you prepare the batter. Now let's create that perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently mix your wet ingredients. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is moistened. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and helps achieve that ideal fluffy texture, so avoid overmixing. It's time to cook those delicious waffles. If your waffle iron isn't nonstick, a light spray of cooking oil will prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter directly onto the center of the hot iron. Close the lid and let it cook. You'll know they are ready when the steam stops and they have a beautiful golden brown color, usually taking 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy the aroma. Your homemade waffles are ready. Serve them warm with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 or 3 days, or freeze them for longer. They reheat wonderfully in a toaster. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.